As a company, we constantly look to introduce new innovations with every product we bring to the market to add value to the brand and our customers. We also look for partners that constantly drive innovation and share our values. A partner like TankSafe that lives innovation on a daily basis.
Fuel theft is a significant and rising issue in South Africa, leading to significant losses for fleet owners. Our goal is to have the most reliable and fuel-efficient truck in the market. For important products like TankSafe, our customers inform us that they prefer factory-fitted solutions.
That is why we decided at Daimler Truck Southern Africa to introduce TankSafe OPTIMUM into our Actros range since April of 2022 to bring fuel efficiency and lower total cost of ownership to our customers.